Sony has launched the a6400, the newest model in its range of APS-C mirrorless interchangeable lens camera system. The new model sits below the flagship model in the series, the a6500, and above the older a6300 model. The a6400 boasts of an improved autofocus system that features 425-point TAF system that can lock focus in 0.02 seconds. It also features advanced eye focus system that keeps the focus locked on the subject's eye instead of an arbitrary point. The camera features a 24.2 MP APS-C sensor that is capable of 4K recording with full pixel readout. The camera can do 11 fps burst shot with mechanical shutter or 8 fps with electronic shutter with continuous f/a tracking. The a6400 also includes a new tilting mechanism for the touchscreen LCD, making it easier to film yourself. An intervalometer has been added for time-lapse video recording. The camera is priced at $899 body only, $999 with the 16 to 50mm power zoom lens, and $1,299 with the 18 to 135mm zoom lens. It will start shipping in February.